Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your roof rack's weight capacity and crossbar spacing because improper fit risks damage. Once confirmed, assemble mounting rails and lay out all hardware next to the car. Position the vehicle on level ground and have 2 helpers ready. This reduces leverage problems and keeps the tent aligned. Make sure crossbars are tightened to manufacturer torque specs before lifting so the tent sits on a stable, secure platform for the next steps. You and your helpers lift the tent onto the roof while one person guides alignment. This prevents one side loading. Once the tent sits on the crossbars, slide mounting rails into position over brackets and make minute adjustments so bolt holes line up. Temporarily secure the tent with ratchet straps to hold it steady while you install U-bolts or custom brackets. Tighten hardware incrementally, alternating sides to maintain even pressure, and avoid bending. You now torque all mounting hardware to the specified values because correct torque prevents loosening and frame stress. Check door and antenna clearances and add weather strip where metal meets metal to prevent rattles and water ingress. Operate the tent mechanism 3 times to confirm smooth opening and proper latch engagement. Finally, take a short test drive at low speed, recheck all fasteners, and retorque after about 50 km. Because vibration is the most common cause of post-install.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.